hesitate. Dark sky, a burning fire, I'm faster to escape these lies. Mountain water running free, take the bad luck away from me. Earth that's sore, release my faith, take my bad luck, don't hesitate. Wind blows like the Santa Ana breeze. Take the bad luck away, take the bad luck away, take the bad luck away from me.
Well, thank you for joining me in Jigsaw Shed. So here's a little fella that I made. He's from oak and that had a crack in it that's been lying in the workshop. But yeah, it was a real fun one to do, and the Rubio Monaco just gave him a really nice finish there as well. Now he's very cute, but not very cuddly. So I'll just pop him over to the side. So onto my giveaway. So in my previous video, I announced my giveaway. And thank you to everyone who's entered it, who's left me comments, and really appreciate that. So I've filmed the video on Friday night when the door closed. Now my wife was doing some of the filming for me, so apologies for the camera action there. And I did make a couple of mistakes myself, so there's a bit that I had to fast forward as well, but you'll see. Anyway, just check this next bit for the winners, and then I'll see you back in the workshop. Right, so it is 10 o'clock on Friday the 27th of January, and all entries are now closed, so I'm going to enter it onto a random picker and draw the winner. So firstly going to just pick the video and get this link, so get the shareable link, then go to the random comment picker, put the video link in there, and then the first one was for the UK draw, and you had to put the words Dremel in there, so in capitals. Whoops. And then we'll just do the equation and find all the comments. So there's 22. Let me just double check that that's all unique. Filter duplicate users, so there we go. So there's 22 unique comments. So we'll move over here and run that. So good luck everyone. So this is for the UK one, and it's you from Wouldn't It Be Nice. So you've won the Dremel stylo. I will give details of how to contact me in a minute. So we'll move on to the worldwide draw, and that was for the piece of ash, and so it's a whole lot of ash in capitals, and again do the little equation, get the YouTube comment. Why is that not pulled up? Does it not want to do it? Lovely bit. I should get my what I put in right. Sorry guys, this is my fault. I should have looked at what words I used before. Lovely bit of ash. Right, 9 and 11 unique comments. That's better. So this is for the Ash and the Worldwide, so good luck. And this one was won by Ward Wilson. So again, well, congratulations on that, Ward. Obviously, I've now got to go around and turn this piece. So in this video, I would have put a poll for people to tell me what they think I should be making from the comments that was previously in the videos, and you will be receiving that piece. So to contact me, if you go to my YouTube channel, let's go there. So if you go to my YouTube channel and you go to my About section, you can click on there, view my email address, and you just have to confirm that you're not a robot, and it will give my email address, or you can go to my Facebook or Instagram link at the top here and message me directly through those. Well, many congratulations, you and Ward, and I hope you enjoy your gift. So just as a reminder, you have won the Dremel Stylo Plus and the glass etching set. Really looking forward to what you're making with these. And Ward, you have this piece of ash that is going to be turned into something depending on what the outcome of the poll in the Premier Chat is tonight. So I hope you like what this will be. And well, the final outcome, and I hope I can do something really nice for you. But thank you again so much for entering, and please remember just to contact me via my email, Instagram or Facebook, just to claim your prize and give me your details as well. And just before we go, just going to give do a few sticker shouts. So I should have done this one last week with Shadow Foam, but found the sticker after I did the video, so thought I'll do it tonight. So again, many thanks, Shadow Foam, for that sample kit that I had, and this will go up in the workshop now. And then obviously the last one is Dremel, who sponsored the stylo for the giveaway. So obviously the Dremel sticker, their Make More sticker, and then also the Misfit Makers Live sticker. So this is Dremel UK, who's doing a live once a month, just a nice chat with the makers and different misfits. If you missed this Sunday, I was invited to as a guest on the show, so do go and check out that if you want to see. I will leave a link in the description below. But anyway, thank you everyone for joining, and again, many congratulations, you and Ward, and I hope to see you all next time. Remember, subscribe to my video if you've not done so yet, hit that bell notification, and also like this video. Take care, everyone.